Apple pie order. Apple pie order. It is an idiom. It means in perfect order. That is, when everything has been neatly arranged and things are in their proper place, it is called apple pie order. That is, neat and tidy in arrangements. Everything in the correct place, then it is called an apple pie order. Let us see it in the examples. The first one, when I opened the fridge, everything was arranged in apple pie order, which means everything was arranged in the correct manner, in the right manner. The second one, everything still has to be in apple pie order even though he left the army years ago. So he left the army and came to village, but he still follows some rules very strictly. He wants everything to be in the correct place and correct order. That's the reason he believes everything should be in apple pie order. The third one, everything in the cupboard was arranged in apple pie order. Everything was kept properly in their proper place. That's the reason it is in apple pie order. The fourth one, my mother is always cleaning. The house is in apple pie order. It is quite natural. Every mother does it. And they keep everything in their proper place. That's the reason every house is in apple pie order. The fifth one, this room is a mess. By the time I return, I want everything to be in apple pie order. Maybe a teacher is telling the students to clean their room and keep everything in the correct place. So that's it. So the origin of this idiom is uncertain. It may have something to do with the French phrase nappe plié. It means neatly folded. It was first recorded in English in the late 70s. Anyhow, some people, however, believe that it was a colonial, that's what Americans called before they got independence, housewife living in New England who made the idiom popular. The story goes that this lady was in the habit of baking 7 apple pies every Sunday, 1 pie for every day of the coming week. Once the pies had been baked and cooled, she proceeded to place them on different shelves. The pie that was to be eaten on Monday was placed on the first shelf, the one to be eaten on Tuesday on the shelf next to it, and so on. The lady was so meticulous that she made sure that all pies were lined up just right. So this is how it came into existence. So finally we understand that an apple pie order is nothing but everything in perfect order.